Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Begin with opening settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on notifications. After that you need to choose Manage All and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications from. I will go with Booking.com. As you can see now, all notifications from Booking are disabled. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. You can always go back and click on one of your apps over here instead. Then manage all notifications by choosing this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!